Just like to take a few minutes to talk about the performance in the year 2017-18 and the results that we announced today. We've had a good year. We've achieved all our short-term objectives and in particular have built a platform to execute against our strategy going forward into the future. We started the year reorganising the group into 4 new sectors: clean air, efficient natural resources, health and new markets. And these reflect the global challenges that we face and how we're addressing them. Having reorganised, we then developed our long-term strategy, not just for the group, but for all the individual sectors too. If I look at the numbers that we announced today, our sales and profit grew in line with what we said at the start of the year, and demonstrating the confidence that the board has in the future of Johnson Matthey. We're proposing a growth in our dividend by 7% this year. If we look at the individual sectors, Clean Air had another strong year, once again building on the performance of last year. Efficient Natural Resources improved the quality of their business throughout the year. Health optimised its manufacturing footprint during the year and also continued to develop their pipeline of new products, which will start to come forward in the years ahead. And perhaps the highlight of the year was the performance and the progress we're making in battery materials. And I'm really excited about the opportunities that are ahead of us as we start commercialising that product. But in addition to these sectors, we've also made a lot of progress on our group-wide enablers. We launched a group-wide procurement programme, which we plan to save over £60 million over a 3-year period, up from £50 million that we announced 6 months ago. We started our commercial excellence programme, which will also deliver more value. And we've built on the IT systems, which will go live in the next few months as we start to roll out a key enabler to drive performance in the business going forward. So I'm very pleased with the performance in the year and we're set up for 2018-19 and beyond. There have been lots of questions about how the move away from diesel cars here in Europe are impacting our business, in particular our clean air business, but also the push for greater air quality improvements around the world and how that's an opportunity for us. And we're working with our customers to meet tighter regulations as they come in, not just here in Europe, where of course the tighter regulations are already here for diesel and gasoline cars, but also in China as well and India. And what our clean air business has is technology leadership, and that's enabled us to win market share gains in Europe, and also we're making good progress in China as well. But it's not just about that technology leadership, we also need to have the right manufacturing footprint and a continued focus on efficiency, and together that enables us to meet the requirements of our customers. So this improvement in air quality is something that JM can solve. Of course, we're not just looking at clean air and helping with the emission control from a diesel and gasoline car, but we're also developing technology to help the battery electric vehicle revolution going forward. And this is where we're using JM science at its best. We've harnessed our full breadth of capabilities to develop a new product which we call eLNO, which is delighting our customers in their qualification tests. And we announced today that the board has approved our plans to start commercialising this product with an investment in a demonstration scale plant here in the UK, and we're working on the full-scale manufacturing plant, which we'll hope to approve in the summer. But eLNO is not a product for today, it's a product for the future market, and it's designed to enable large-scale adoption of pure electric vehicles. That requires greater range, greater lifetime. So the plans we're making, I'm really pleased about how we're developing this. It's driven by our technology, but now we're moving into the next exciting phase, the commercialization and scale-up phase for the business. Very attractive opportunity, and I'm very pleased with the progress we've made. Our priorities for the next 12 months are to continue to execute upon the sector strategies that we've laid out, and we very clearly gave to our shareholders at our Capital Markets Day in September last year. In addition to that, we've got a significant investment program going on in the next year or two. And we're going to continue to invest and deliver the benefits from our group-wide enabling programs. And taken all together, I'm very confident that our strategy will deliver the mid to high single-digit growth rates that we set out to shareholders and also enable our vision for a cleaner and healthier world.